Click off this video, please click that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram on _Hailey'sBeauty_. And no, I don't wear this much makeup all the time, and I do have better makeup abilities than this. Just go watch my other videos. But anyways, at the end of the video, I would appreciate if you just click my face. That means you subscribe to my channel. But anyways, guys, I love you guys so much, and let's get started. Hey guys, so today, as you can see, I did something very, very different. And yes, I know this is not the best. I did a black smoky eye for Valentine's Day because I did get a request on my beauty Instagram to do a black type of smoky eye for Valentine's Day. And I came up with this. I know it's not my best work, but I'm still going to post this because I think it turned out somewhat decent. But I'm definitely disabling the comments because I know a lot of people will be like, oh, that looked horrible and stuff. But I kind of think it turned out pretty good, like kind of decent. So yes, I'll be disabling the comments. But again, I know this is not my best work and this probably looks really bad and dramatic. And I mean, it might not look bad and dramatic. It might just me just being too critical of myself because I'm not used to wearing this much makeup. But those who are new to my channel, no, I do not wear this much makeup. No, this is not my best makeup abilities. I have a whole bunch of more tutorials that I do on here. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that subscribe button down below and turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And I think that's all I have to say. And I didn't do a lip color because I didn't like none of my lip colors look good. So, I mean, I would go with a nude, obviously, since your eyes are like so bam bam, but I mean, yeah, definitely go with a nude. Just none of my nude lipsticks weren't looking good with it, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, again, and sorry for my messy bun hair. Yeah, I just didn't feel like straightening it today, and for this kind of look, for dramatic looks, I need it up and not down because I feel like I could really like see what I'm doing if it's up. So yeah, sorry for the messy bun, sorry. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get first. I'm starting with the color Warm Taupe from the Modern Renaissance palette. Sorry, I cannot talk. And putting that in my crease for a transition shade. I'm just putting that and blending that in. Yeah, again, guys, I know this is not my best look, but I think it turned out really good, and I'm definitely disabling the comments because, like, I just don't want to get hate on this because though I feel like it's very dramatic and different, and I know, like, yeah, it turned out good, but, like, it was my first time doing a black smoky eye, so, like, so obviously it wasn't going to turn out perfect, like Jaclyn Hill perfect, and looking back, editing this, I see some mistakes that I could do better for next time, but since a girl requested this on Instagram for me to do this, I still wanted to put it out there because I like to do what you guys request for me to do, and yeah, I'm not too worried about it because I'm just gonna decline the comments for this video. Don't worry, it's not gonna be every video, it's just this video because I know people will be hard on me with this. So yeah, so then I take the Tartelette in the Bloom palette, and it's like honestly like one of my favorite favorite palettes in like the whole wide world. You guys know this. I use it for almost every eyeshadow look. Like, I always use it. You know, it's been in multiple favorites videos. So I take Sweetheart and Rebel and blend that into my crease also to warm up the crease, and just basically to like prepare for the pink that I'm going to be using. So yeah. So yeah, I hope like even like the new people that watch my videos, I do better makeup job than what you see on this video. It turned out good. It just when it got to the black, I feel like I need to improve on that. Black eyeshadow is definitely something I need to work more with and like try different things with and like try different techniques with to make it easier on me. So yeah, so definitely got to do that. So yeah. And then it's just me being a perfectionist, checking everything. And sorry if you hear that like squirting noise. I don't know if you hear it, but like I say in like almost every video, it's like my mom's like scent things that like spray like a scented mist every couple minutes. But next I took burnt orange and raw sienna and also put that in my crease to again warm up the crease to prepare for the pink. And I want to post this too because I did try really hard and like really took my time on this, and so I feel like it deserves to be posted. And excuse my hair and being in a messy bun, but when I do dramatic looks like this, I want it to be up so I could really see my eye shape and everything. Because I don't know about you, and this might be weird of me, but I almost feel like when my hair's down and I'm doing my makeup, it could completely change the eye look and how it turns out. Now I'm taking Swiss chocolate from MAC, and just putting that in my crease again, warm up and get prepared for the pink. But yeah, I feel like when it's up, I feel like I almost do a better job, and I could see my eye shape better. I don't know, that might be crazy. You guys might think I'm crazy for thinking that, but I don't know. And sorry for the like zip up jacket. I wanted to have something like festive on, and I didn't have like any cute shirts that are like light pink or red or anything. I don't know, like I just have a boring closet, and like nothing it screamed like Valentine's Day for me except that like light pink jacket, and I don't have hearts on any of my shirts. So yeah, so that's why I did that. And I'm just blending that all in, making sure everything's blended. Now I'm taking Vietnam Red and putting that in my crease, and yeah, just to add some pink because it is Valentine's Day, the dreaded holiday. I hate Valentine's Day, but yeah, I just put that in my crease because although I wanted this to be a black smoky eye and the girl requested a black smoky eye, I did want to bring in like some pink and some like pop of color since this is a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. We gotta make it look kind of Valentine's, even though I'd probably just stick to wearing like not black eyeshadow, but black clothes because I hate Valentine's Day. But I mean, luckily I will be wearing black on Valentine's Day anyway because I have to work. Go me. Isn't that like fantastic? I have to work on Valentine's Day, which actually is good for me because then it'll distract me from being sad on Valentine's Day, and I like won't have to think about how sad I am about not having a Valentine. Then I'm also blending Love Letter in. I think I might have missed when I put that in. I don't think I showed that to you guys. But I did end up putting Love Letter in. I might be ahead of myself. Blending that pink,
to bring in that pop of color up. And then we're just gonna blow that off like a billion times because, you know, don't want to have too much product. And I just put a little bit of Cypress Umber just to like make it a tiny bit brown, just to make a good transition for the black that's gonna be going on my eyelid. So yeah. Then I'm taking the black shade in the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. This didn't go on as smoothly as I wanted it to, because I was planning on doing MAC's carbon eyeshadow, because I know that would have worked amazing, but then I couldn't find it. And, you know, guess what happened? Like, of course, this happened. After I filmed this tutorial, I found my MAC carbon eyeshadow. But yeah, this definitely wasn't black enough, and it looked kind of gray, and I thought the grayish looked weird. So I ended up using Black Track Fluid Line. I don't show it on camera, and then putting the Urban Decay eyeshadow on it. But then the Black Track Fluid Line ended up being way too black for my liking. Carbon would have been perfect, and I'm like really upset that I didn't find carbon until after I filmed the tutorial, but I was like, I can't film this tutorial again because I'm way too busy to film it, so this is gonna have to do. And then I also put on some eyeliner and some eyelashes to make this not look so messy and dramatic, I guess. So yeah, I'm just blending that. Then I'm doing Fenty's contour stick. I forget what shade, but it's like the lightest shade that they have in the contour sticks. So I'm just contouring my face. And I already did my foundation and concealer, and I used Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and then I used NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and then I baked with Makeup Forever HD setting powder. And I'm just blending in out that contour. Because we don't need some crazy unblended contour. Blending that. Sorry, I'm not like talking much. I like sometimes like don't know what to say on these voiceovers. Like, it's weird. Like, if I'm like doing a normal video that's not a voiceover, I never run out of things to say. But like once I'm on the voiceover, I literally run out of things to say, and I literally don't know why. Like, I don't know. It kind of looks like I have two black eyes, like somebody punched me in the face, but I mean, like, it's okay. It's like a pretty, like, punched in the face. Then I'm taking my Rock Couture blush from Benefit and putting that on my face. And I know my contour looks dramatic, but I think I go and end up fixing it. I hope I do. I mean, in person it didn't look that dramatic, and it looked more blended in person, but I don't know. Sorry, I like yawning. Keep on putting that blush to make it more pink because it was not showing up. I don't know why. And oh my gosh, that contour though, I didn't realize how thick it was. I forget, I always forget the Fenty contour sticks, a little bit goes a long way. I always forget that, and it's a bad thing and a bad habit, but oh well. It ended up looking good after everything was put on. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit. I think it's called the Sugar Glow Kit or whatever. And I'm taking the 3 lightest shades. What are they called? Kind of just mixing up. Does anybody else do that? I literally, I don't know. I'm obsessed with mixing highlights because I feel it looks prettier when you mix, I don't know, I feel you come up with a new highlight color when you mix them. So yeah, I did the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, and I used Marshmallow, Gun Drop, and Starburst. No, it was Marshmallow, Butterscotch, and Starburst that I mixed the shades for. Why do I keep on, I hate when I do that. I don't know, that's such a bad habit of mine. I literally look at the camera making the kissy face. I don't know why I do that. And I do it for a minute, just staring with the kissy face. And I honestly don't know why. So sorry that I do that, guys. I'm gonna try to work on not doing that in 2018. Because your girl need to not do that.
That was my black smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I know it's not the best work, but I mean, I'm not worried about your comments anyway, because I'm disabling the comments because I don't want any hate, because I know this is I'm not pro, I'm not Jaclyn Hill yet, but I think it still did turn out somewhat decent. Again, I would never wear this makeup out, but I know there's some people that are really into really smoky and sultry looks, so I wanted to be able to create that for you guys this year. So yeah, and then again, sorry about the hair. Like I said, I was doing a more dramatic look, so of course I wanted to, you know, have my hair up and have it out of my face instead of having it down and getting all messy and put makeup in it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!